What do you remember most about losing the original home?
Family. I don't think I can do this, but I would say family and all the memories. We skied, we water skied, we climbed mountains, those things, explored. We were up here, we've been up here over 50 years. So there were mining camps and places that no longer exist.
And tell me about the day the fire happened.
The kids, Lindsay and Matt, and William and Brooke were up here. And so they took those pictures right there. And let's see, they took some other things that I wanted, a couple of blankets that are so Navajo, that are so old, that are up in the hall. So that's what they did. They knew it was coming this way, so it was. But it wasn't something you didn't. Fires are erratic, and so we didn't know really whether it was going to come this way. And it came to the peak of where it would have entered the park and it stopped. Who knows? Those things just happen.
And tell me about the first time you came back after the fire.
That was extremely difficult. Not as much as the home, it's just a whole area. It was just, it was too difficult to see things that were there or not there. I'd say the landscape was most difficult. It wasn't that house.
And what did you think the rebuild would look like?
It was an amazing process, and I didn't think it would look anything like it turned out to be. It was exciting and fun.
What was most important to you when starting over?
Family.
Can you say the most important thing starting over was family?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Just say that again. Yeah.
The most important thing was family. And so we knew about Devon, and because of his association with Lindsay and Matt. And so that helped. And Julie helped a great deal at that point.
And how did you approach designing the new home differently from the old one?
There was no way, if it was going to be a modular home, it could look like the original home. So that couldn't happen. That occurred because of a number of things. Our insurance company, we only had so much time to build. At the time that the fire happened, this was not declared a FEMA project. And so that meant that your insurance company had even more control over how long you had. And so that was a number of things that happened.
What stood out about working with Mountain View Window and Door?
Kindness.
How did the windows and doors influence the feel of the new home?
The landscape is the most important. So there's beautiful windows every place. And that makes such a difference. it isn't closed in. You know, it's beautiful.
And this is a special question for you. What were you hoping to achieve with the front entry specifically?
It's not the front entry as looking the other way and seeing again the landscape. It's just the most amazing. So it makes you know how important the home is going to be because of the sliding doors and the windows. They were very specific to what the design came out to be.
Do you notice a difference in light, comfort, or functionality compared to before?
Light. You know, I mean, I'm looking at it. You're not. But you can't. It's so amazing.
And then did you want to talk about one of the